Adobe Creative Cloud ushers in a whole new era in creativity for businesses large and small. It's everything your team needs to do its best work. Your Creative Cloud membership lets you download every Adobe Creative app and service as soon as they're released. With the latest versions of Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and more, there's no limit to what you can make. And now, we're taking the power of our desktop applications and bringing them to mobile devices. You can capture inspiration on the go and bring it into your creative process. Start your project on an iPhone, continue on the iPad, and finish it using your favorite desktop application. New Adobe Creative Sync makes your assets available anywhere. They instantly appear when you need them, in your Creative Cloud libraries and across your desktop, web, and mobile apps. And they can be shared with anyone with a Creative Cloud account. So it's easier to collaborate and keep your designs consistent. And now, the new Adobe Stock service gives you access to over 40 million high-quality images that you can find, buy, and manage, all while working right within your applications. Here's what makes Creative Cloud really powerful for businesses. It simplifies your organization's deployment and license management. You can deploy apps, services, and updates the way that works for your organization. Install licenses centrally for more control, or let users do it themselves. It's up to you. Streamlined license management makes it easy to add and reassign seats to scale up to meet the growing needs of your business. And when questions come up, we're here to help with 24/7 technical support. Your team gets exclusive phone access to Adobe product experts, plus hundreds of video tutorials and step-by-step product guides to keep their skills fresh. You can choose from 2 Creative Cloud plans designed for business: Creative Cloud for Teams or Creative Cloud for Enterprise. Creative Cloud for Teams is built for small to medium businesses or creative teams within larger organizations. It gives you hassle-free administration and easy deployment. Creative Cloud for Enterprise is ideal for large organizations and businesses or departments that want enterprise-level features. If you need unlimited support, single sign-on authentication, encrypted content, or content behind your firewall, Creative Cloud for Enterprise is right for you. Whether you choose Creative Cloud for Teams or Creative Cloud for Enterprise, you'll get a secure and easy way to manage your licenses while empowering your users to collaborate and create amazing content. It's simply a better way of working together.